What's up, guys? It's your girl Neesyraychelle, and I am back at you with another video. So if you all have not noticed, another try-on haul. Yeah, I've been doing a bit more shopping and trying to find things that work for me as a curvy girl. So today we are trying my outfit online. I've been seeing a lot of the influencer girls wearing their clothing and doing try-on hauls with them, and I'm always skeptical of buying things from these companies, y'all. I just because I am a curvy girl and I'm a curvy girl naturally, so no shade to anybody who got, they look extra going on, because if that's what you want to do, go for it. Shoot, listen, if I ain't had what I already had, baby, I'd be right there with y'all. I'd be right there with y'all. But I'm always skeptical because the stuff doesn't usually fit how it shows on the pictures and stuff. Like, and as a previous model, like, I know a lot of the time they tuck and clip and all this stuff. Like, you can't see all of that stuff behind the model. So I'm always scared to try this stuff out because I'm not sure how it's going to fit me. But I did go ahead and place an order because they had a Black Friday sale, and I was like, well, let me go ahead and try a few things out, see how everything fits, and see if this is a company that I can actually buy things from and feel comfortable buying things from. So let's get into it, y'all. I only got a few things because y'all know me, I try not to buy too much, so I make sure that it works. Then once I know it's gonna be good, then we can splurge a little bit. So keep watching. So first of all, I don't know if y'all know, but I love these little bags. Like, these little Ziploc clothing bags that the companies have been sending are my absolute favorite. So I'm gonna start with what did not work, because y'all aren't gonna get a little try on video of me in it. So this first item I got was from the Jaguar collection, and this is the little card that they sent with it. And it says, thank you for shopping the Jaguar collection, crafted from our signature soft, stretchy, double-lined fabric. These pieces were specially designed to make you feel as fierce as you are. This collection is a perfect transition into the fall and winter months. Effortlessly layer them for day-to-day wear or take them for a night out. It's time to get wild. My outfit online. So, like I said, y'all, we're gonna start with the stuff that did not fit. And baby, listen, this thing right here is so freaking cute. Like, I'll insert it, like a clip of it, on someone else, because again, it did not fit me. But this is the Vital jumpsuit, Jaguar, of course. And let me find the top of it, y'all. So this is the pattern of it, a really nice Jaguar pattern. It is turtleneck. There are 2 buttons and a zipper in the back. It's long sleeve and comes down to the ankle. This jumpsuit is double lined, just like they say in here, which means like it has a little stretch, but because of that extra lining in it, what would normally be good stretch is not enough stretch. So like, it stretches. I promise it stretches. It just don't stretch enough for me. And where it's not stretching enough is in the leg area. Like, this does not move. It don't move. So when I went to put this on, I got it about to my knees and realized that it wasn't going any further. So your girl went ahead and decided to take that off. And y'all, why did I fall trying to take it off? Like, I didn't even have it all the way on, and that might be why I failed. But I hit the floor. I hit the floor trying to take this off. And I'm happy I was alone, because Lord knows I would have got laughed at for real, because it didn't work. And it's funny because when I went to order it, I was like, girl, where are you gonna even wear this? Like, you don't go nowhere to wear this. And I guess this was God's way of saying, right, you don't go nowhere to wear it, so we're gonna go ahead and make sure you can't wear it. So of course that did not work for me. This jumpsuit is regularly priced at $58.95. I did get it for $38.32 because they were having their Black Friday sale. So that's the only item that did not fit. Thank God, because I did buy about 5 total outfits, which totaled into 6 pieces, because one of them is like a 2-piece set. But I was heartbroken because I really wanted to take some pictures in that. Like, that would have been like, I had it in my head. I had my shoes picked out. I had like what I was gonna wear on the outer part of, like, I had a fit in my head. And even though I knew I wasn't going anywhere, it was gonna be perfect for some pictures, y'all. I just want y'all to know the pictures was gonna be on point, but it is what it is. So that is the first thing I got. So I guess the next thing I'll do is go to the next collection. And this is, I want to make sure I'm right, y'all. Make sure I'm right. Okay, so the next collection that I ordered from was the ribbed collection. I did get I got 3 items from the ribbed collection, and they're all like jumpsuit bodysuits. So yeah, let's get to it. The first item that I got from the ribbed collection is the Raven jumpsuit in the color blue. This jumpsuit is regularly priced at $68.95. I got it for $44.82. And y'all, looking at this jumpsuit online, you would think, oh my gosh, like, this is not, the material is thin, like, it's not going to cover, but it's pretty thick. Like, you can't really see through it. So as you can see, it is a zip up onesie jumpsuit. It's ribbed, and this blue is very, very pretty. It's long sleeve, comes down to my ankle, and y'all know I'm 5'8", so if it comes down to my ankle, then you know it is long. This zipper, you can either zip it all the way up and have your turtleneck, or you can leave it zipped down a little bit, you know, however you want to wear it. This material is kind of heavy. It's not like super, super heavy, but it's heavy enough to, you know, feel like you got some clothes on, I guess. So like, this would be perfect like in the evening time, because right now it's kind of cool during the evenings. So something that's not too hot but not too light where you're freezing. And the stretch, y'all know that's my favorite thing. If you have not known anything else about me, you know I like stretch. This thing stretches very well. I almost feel like it might be a little too big, but we gonna work with it. I probably should have got a large. I did get this in an extra large because I want to be, you know, careful, because you never know with these things. Like, the site says one thing size wise, and then you order it and it's wrong, which is kind of why the Jaguar bodysuit did not work for me. But this, absolutely love it. Super comfortable, 10 out of 10. And if I like lose more weight, then I'll just take it and get it taken in and whatnot. It does seem to be something that I can get taken in. So that is that. The next thing I got is the Katie jumpsuit in the color brown. It is also a size large, which is what I should have got the other thing in. This is regularly priced $65.95 and I paid $42.87 for it. So I pretty much saved $20 on everything. Y'all, I really like this one. This is like super cute. Again, the stretch is there all the way around, and what I like most about this one is how the back is like, girl, like it's like modest in the front and then boom. So what I do like about this is the straps on it. You can either cross it across the back or you can cross it across the front, and it's like you got two outfits in one. So I do show y'all that of me crossing it different ways. But again, this is still part of the rib collection. Super stretchy, super comfortable. I feel like you can dress this up or down as well. Like it doesn't have to be like lounge, if you know what I mean, but definitely something I probably will overwear. So y'all might see me in this a lot. So don't y'all judge me when y'all see me in it a lot. But again, I got it in a size large, which is what I should have got the other one in. But you know, we're learning this company, and now I know that a large fits perfectly fine. And the last thing I got from the ribbed collection is the essential romper in the color black. And this also has that strappy thing going on where like the back and the straps, and you can kind of cross this both ways as well depending on how you feel. It does have like this little lining thing where the boob goes, and as y'all can see, your girl is blessed in that area. So when I ordered this, I was thinking more along the lines of, oh, this would be perfect for when I have my reduction, because I could wear it during the summertime, spring, and it would fit perfectly fine. Of course, right now my boobs don't fit in this like it's supposed to, but you know, still real comfortable, stretchy. I definitely recommend the rib collection. Like, if I don't recommend anything else from this company, the rib collection is definitely like top tier because it is stretchy and comfortable. So I like to be comfortable, y'all. I don't know if y'all notice, but I love to be comfortable. I halfway don't like wearing clothes. I try to wear clothes as much as possible, but I would prefer to be naked all the time. So because these are so comfortable in that aspect, it's almost like I just don't have nothing on. So this is a size large as well. And if y'all didn't notice, I kind of got basic colors as well. It seems like that was most of what they had or what they're geared towards. I notice a lot of companies are geared towards the more neutral colors now. You don't get a lot of brights unless it's like just this random, like, oh, here's an orange, or oh, here's a yellow. Like, you'll get those little spurts, but most of the companies have been going towards this more neutral side, which is good and bad, because then we all walk around looking like blah instead of having these pops of colors. So I'm working on that too, because I got a lot of black in my closet, hence why I got this, because that's just what I wear all the time. But the rib collection, y'all, I feel like everybody needs the rib collection. That's how I'm gonna put that. Everybody needs it. Alright guys, so the last thing I got was the everyday bralette in the Leo mid cut bottoms in the color mocha. I got these to go together. I think they had them together, and I'm not really sure if they're part of a collection or not. If they are, I believe they're part of the basics collection. But it's just this bralette in the color mocha. It is cut out in the back, and it has the band here. And I did get this in a size large, which I'm happy that it fits because usually I can't wear a large in like bralettes and stuff. I usually have to go up to an extra large, but the large actually fits very well. This I paid $15 for. I believe I paid $15 for it, y'all. I don't know. I'm looking at it. Look like I paid a little more. Did I pay $21 for this and it was only $15? We're gonna have to look into that. My outfit online. But it's super comfortable. The material is like that velour, like soft cotton material, and same for the bottoms. They're same, like velour cotton soft material. I did not try these on camera because they do have like a thong back, so yeah, I didn't try them on, but they are a size large as well. And what I really like about this top and bottom is the bottoms are like high-waisted, so when you put it on with the top, it comes up high enough where like your midriff isn't out, or yeah, your midriff's not out. So this is for me like good around the house loungewear. Of course, I wouldn't put these on under anything because the band is so thick. Like this band is like, you get all of that for a band all the way around. So like I definitely wouldn't wear this under clothes. The bralette maybe like under a jacket or something, like a sports jacket, or like even like a denim jacket. This would be cute under. Again, you know, I want to get my girls reduced first, and then we'll get comfortable with wearing those things. But like overall, everything I got from my outfit online, excluding the one thing that I couldn't wear, was a 10 out of 10 for me. I feel like I could have went down a size in an item, but the rest of them I did get in the correct size and everything fit well. I probably could have went down a size in the bralette, maybe to a medium, but I believe it's something that I can also get taken in, so I'm not too worried about that. But yeah, overall I would definitely shop with them again. I'm happy I took this little leap of faith and tried them out. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know if there's anything else you all would like me to try out for you all, whether it be makeup, body products, skincare products, jewelry, perfumes, clothing, you name it. I will try my hardest to try it. But thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Go ahead and do that right now. Like before y'all leave, go ahead and subscribe, because y'all be watching and playing games. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget, always stay chic, and I will see you in the next video.